So, here's the deal.
Oh yeah, we're gonna find out real quick what the deal is once George gets done ripping you a new one. Who's George, you might ask? This is George Melendez.
And he's not a happy camper.
He's just a little sick and tired of costume clowns like Royce City, Texas officers Carmen and Baily.
Officer Carmen, 757.
Officer Baily, 722.
Might as well be Barnum and Baily. Anyway, just like the rest of us, George is sick of these circus performers piling out of their clown cars to harass us.
We're in a fucking drive-thru at McDonald's. It's not that goddamn serious.
Okay, do you have your license on you?
Yeah, but you don't need it.
Yeah,
you don't.
we absolutely do,
No,
sir.
no, man. I didn't do nothing. I didn't commit a crime. You're not going to get it.
Please don't interfere with the investigation because they're going to have to put you in jail.
Jake me to jail then. I'll go to jail because you're going to violate my rights. Because he's trying to take me to jail over not identifying myself. I don't need to give you my ID. I didn't do nothing. There's no crime committed. Supervisor right here, don't stop recording. I don't answer questions. I don't answer questions. What part of that do you not understand? I watch all these First Amendment videos and this is what I've been waiting for. You guys don't need my fucking ID. What part of that don't you fucking understand? God damn, you guys are fucking stupider than I thought. You want me to put you in handcuffs of what you did to me? You violated my rights. It's not arguing. Shut the fuck up and get in your car. You're dismissed.
So, here's the deal.
There's no deal. Fucking animals, I'm going to put you in torture cuffs. I've been watching all these videos of this kind of stuff here and it was just videos. Now I've been involved in it. This changes the narrative for me personally. You have to follow the law. That was feelings enforcement there, not law enforcement. You guys just opened this kind of worms for the city of Royce City because you're going to put money in my pocket.
Sit back, relax, and watch this beast of a man systematically dismantle the law enforcement agents of the injustice system. And he did it all with knowledge that he gleaned from First Amendment audit videos.
I watch all these First Amendment videos and this is what I've been waiting for. I've been watching all these videos of this kind of stuff here and it was just videos. Now I've been involved in it. This changes the narrative for me personally.
Just tell me what happened.
No, you need to talk to him. I don't got nothing to say.
Well, that's our job, so we get your
I understand your job. Okay. Again, I'm not going to keep repeating myself. Talk to him. He's the one that called you, not me.
So you don't want to tell us what happened?
I'm not going to. I don't have a story. Jill. I don't tell stories.
Okay.
So
I said that you cut him off?
I did not cut nobody off. Okay. Again, ask him. We're in a fucking drive-thru at McDonald's. It's not that goddamn serious. So, that's what I'm telling you.
I can
and if he wants to make a big deal out of nothing, that's on him. I'm not frustrated.
Yeah.
I don't have a problem. That's why I'm driving away. I didn't.
Okay. Do you have your license on you?
Yeah, but you don't need it.
Yeah,
you don't.
we absolutely do, sir.
No, ma'am. You got it messed up.
You are involved in investigation.
Nope. I'll go investigate. No, you don't. I didn't do nothing. I didn't commit a crime.
Absolutely.
Negative.
Yes, absolutely.
That's a negative, man. You're not going to get it.
Please don't interfere with the investigation because they're going to have to put you in jail.
Jake me to jail then.
Well, I mean, that's the thing.
No te bajes.
No te bajes. You're violating my rights.
No te bajes.
Hey,
No te bajes.
there is no investigation.
No te bajes.
Listen.
No te bajes.
Listen. I'll go to jail because you're going to violate my rights. Yeah, you are. My First and my Fourth Amendment rights. You understand?
Listen.
Because he's trying to take me to jail over not identifying myself.
Yes,
is your body cam's on?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I don't see the red light on yours. Is it on?
Yes, sir, it's on.
So
Okay. Make sure you got it because I will sue the shit out of you.
Let me explain something.
I will sue the shit out of you guys. There is no crime committed.
Are you going to let me
There is no crime committed. No, because there's no crime committed.
Well, give us
You
your
understand?
ID.
I don't need to give you my ID. I didn't do
100%.
nothing. There's no
Okay,
crime
go ahead,
committed. Yep, no problem.
George,
No problem.
really?
Yep.
Are you
sue him.
serious?
Just don't stop recording.
We're going to get the reason for why he's being
We're going to sue him.
interfering with
I need your supervisor.
interfering with what
I need your
investigation?
supervisor. I need your supervisor. Don't stop recording.
No, we do.
Hey, it's going to be tight. Can you put your arms a little bit
I
closer?
can.
Okay.
Can you go double up? Get your supervisor right here. Don't stop recording.
He's on his
Yes,
way.
ma'am. You're right in my rights. I'm going to sue the shit out of both of you. What's your name and badge? No, sir. There's no crime committed.
We just need to
So is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
is
Is that a misdemeanor or a
you
felony?
would just not
Is that a
interfere with the
misdemeanor or a felony?
investigation.
I don't care.
Listen,
There's
listen,
no investigation.
listen,
Your
listen.
investigation starts there.
Right.
I'm going to give you what's your name and badge number for the record.
Hey, it's Officer Carmen, 757.
Yours?
Officer Baily,
Thank you.
722.
Are you
Because
willing to listen to us now?
no, I'm not.
Okay.
I want your supervisor. I don't want to say a damn word to you guys.
Okay.
And I'm going to sue the shit out of the city of Royce City.
Okay.
Not a problem. Not a problem.
Actually, hold on, wait, let me catch you down. Okay. Want to step right?
And then it's and I don't condense. I don't search and seizures. Okay. So remember that for the record.
Okay.
I'm
Did you
suing
have
the shit
anything
out of you
on
guys.
you?
I've been
Do you
waiting
have
for
anything
this.
on you?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. You don't have anything on
I don't
you?
answer
That's
questions.
your
I don't
status.
answer questions.
Okay.
What part of that do you not understand?
Okay. Well, you're not
I'm gonna sue the shit out of you guys. I've been waiting for this. I watch all these First Amendment videos, and this is what I've been waiting for.
And guys, this right here is exactly why we do what we do. So that people can gain the knowledge and empower themselves so that they can stand up against the tyrants who are ruining our country and our lives.
I got you, motherfucker. All you had to do is I don't gotta do shit. Go investigate. You don't need my license for what?
Identify you as
You don't need to identify me for shit. I didn't do nothing. That's not a crime.
We don't know that.
No, there's no crime.
Okay, well,
There's no. What's the crime? What is a crime? What are they calling for?
disturbance.
Disturbance. Of what kind of
Disturbance of
disturbance?
his peace, that's it. He's
Well,
just
what?
bugging.
A what? It's verbal? I mean, is that that's not physical?
That's what we're
There's no crime. I'm trying to.
So you're being overly aggressive, and we're just
No,
trying to
because
explain
you
the
guys
situation.
don't need my fucking ID. What part of that don't you fucking understand? God damn, you guys are fucking stupider than I thought. I don't want you fucking. I want your goddamn supervisor. You guys are stupid. That man trying to argue with his daughter in his car, and I told him shut the fuck up and back away. That I saw his daughter.
And that's fucking crazy. Why is he still sitting over there all free when he's the one that caused the disturbance?
That's why we're trying.
Listen, we don't want to take him to jail. We just need him to identify himself. That's it. So whenever we have an investigation, all we do is we gather both parties' IDs, and it's for our notes, okay? It's for our case notes. That's all we do. That's all we wanted was his information. And then whenever you don't give us your ID, right now he's impeding our investigation. We're unable. So you have to identify yourself. That's a law, okay? So that's what I'm trying to explain to him. We just need his ID to identify him. We don't want to have to take him to jail. It's the last thing we want to do.
That's not what we want.
That's it. Is there a way you could talk to him? We don't want to have to take him to jail if we don't have to take him to jail. No? Do y'all want to tell me what happened?
It started with him.
It's not a crime.
It started with him.
It's not a crime.
It started with him. It's not a crime.
That's the thing. Is it like you guys arguing?
It
with
started
not a
with.
crime?
It started with that man.
Okay. Okay. Exactly.
He's-
and
he's
I
the
understand.
one.
And I understand. So all we were gonna come do is come and diffuse
Well, I mean,
the
you
situation.
need to talk to him.
Exactly. And we had an officer over there talking to him.
Well, I can't tell you anything else.
We're
He
just trying to
started.
figure out what happened. That's all we're doing is identifying.
Well, he's gonna tell you what happened because he's the one that caused everything.
Okay, so you guys don't your failure to ID because you want us to talk to him, but he's already been talked to.
I mean, he's
That's
the
what I don't
one.
understand.
That's who you need to talk to.
Okay, but he's already been talked to.
Well, I don't know what's going on.
We're trying to get your side of the story. That's what.
We don't really have a side to tell if he's the one that made the call. He said everything, so whatever he
Okay,
said
so he
happened,
made the
happened.
call. So you tell me why he would have made that call.
That's his issue. Do you see him? He's
He's yeah.
doing about 3 or 4 turns while we're just standing in line. That's his issue. So go ahead and get his side of the story.
Yeah,
That's
he's the
specifically
one
what
that got
happened.
all
And you don't want a side of the
aggressive,
story.
We
and
don't need a side of the story because
Okay.
we didn't do anything.
Okay.
All right.
he's the one that's. I don't know what's wrong with him.
Damn, did it close? Shit. Este güey también.
I'm suing the city of Boise City. For the record, I hope you got your body cams on. You look good. Can you get this shit out of the way? You can't fucking get out.
Calmado.
Don't stop recording.
Ajá, calmado.
Because I'm gonna
Calmada,
sue shit
yes.
on you.
Tenemos.
I need incident number, and I need everybody's names here.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir. So why am I in handcuffs? Over here, please, for the record. Why am I in handcuffs?
You're being detained for investigation.
Okay, but you don't detain people in handcuffs.
So,
Okay? Because Karen over there called you guys. I heard him see if he's got warrants. I avoided him, okay? This is not the answer. And then this guy right here, Mr. Baily, demanding my ID for no crime. Investigation starts there. He would have told you the story. That there was no crime committed.
Why is he leaving?
Right?
He's so
Why are you
aggressive.
in handcuffs? No, you don't. Not physically. Not physically. Not like this. Want me to put you in handcuffs of what you did to me? You violated my rights. It's not arguing. Shut the fuck up and get your car. You're dismissed. Get me out of these fucking handcuffs. Sir, get me out of these handcuffs, please.
Okay.
This is not right.
Okay.
I did nothing wrong. It was an argument, that's it. Where it's
Why
done.
did he leave?
what's your person?
You don't need
What
to know
would
that.
you like to
You
be
don't-
called?
Good citizen.
Okay, good citizen.
Yes, sir.
So, here's the deal.
There's no deal. Just explain to me, please. Get me out of these handcuffs. I don't want to be in handcuffs.
We're not
Yeah,
taking handcuffs.
yeah.
You're not gonna get crazy with me or
I'm not
anything,
getting crazy, sir.
Yeah,
I don't
hello.
get crazy. I don't get crazy. I don't get crazy. This is crazy. What you guys did to me. Okay. Look at it, in front of the whole world, in front of my family. You want me to do that to you guys?
Hold on, sir. Just relax.
Fucking stupid, man. Stupid, non-professional people, man. What the fuck you guys dealing with, man?
Yeah.
And I need an incident number, please. And everybody's name that was involved. Even that man, because I'm suing his ass too for calling you guys. Look at that. Look at that. You guys recording that?
Mm-hmm.
Fucking animals. I'm going to put you in torture cuffs. I need an incident number too.
There you go.
Stupid ass motherfucker.
You're welcome.
And you're leaving before I leave. I'll sit there all fucking day. You got to dismiss.
No,
Yeah.
you're good.
Get better at your jobs.
You're good. You can get out of here.
If somebody doesn't give you ID, doesn't mean you put them in fucking handcuffs.
Have a great day.
Yeah, you go fuck yourself.
Do you need anything from me?
No, sir. I thank you for being professional. Teach these stupid asses something.
All right.
Right? And it's no disrespect to you. But when they come, they got to do an investigation. Look what they did. Look what they did to me.
So on
But they don't need to do that, sir. You understand?
I already.
So I'm just letting you know right now, for the record, I'm suing the shit out of you guys for what they did to me.
Okay.
I'm suing the city. I'm getting a fucking lawyer. I've been watching all these videos of this kind of stuff here, and it was just videos. Now I've been involved in it. This changes the narrative for me personally.
Okay.
All right? Because I know my fucking rights. She just violated my Fourth Amendment right.
Okay.
Okay? Whether you believe it or not.
What?
You have to follow the law. That was feelings enforcement there, not law enforcement.
Okay.
You understand me?
I
It's no disrespect to you or nobody else, but that's feelings enforcement. Because I don't give you my ID. I don't have to give you my ID. I didn't commit no crime. That's why I asked her, is that a misdemeanor or a felony? Go investigate with him and then determine what happened, just like you just did, right? If they would have done that, we wouldn't be in this situation. So you guys just opened this kind of worms for the city of Roy City. Because you're going to put money in my fucking pocket. I didn't want to do this shit, but you guys did this shit over a stupid-ass drive-thru at a McDonald's. But I don't want to waste your time, and I appreciate it. Thank you.
Any other questions?
No, sir. I got what I need right here. Actually, I need their numbers. I mean, their names,
You got it
and their
right here.
badge numbers. Please.
You mind if I write on
No,
your
sir.
card?
Go ahead.
I'm going to have a further discussion with him back in the PD about what the law is. Now, just for your information, we did just have a legislative update. The law did change on failed ID. They moved it from traffic code, and it said in traffic code, on a traffic stop, you have to present your driver's license upon request of a magistrate, judge, myself, an officer, a traffic stop. Then it moved over to the penal code, to failed ID, where it says if they're a driver of a motor vehicle. So, realistically, I think the verbiage is a little off from the legislative update. I know the female officer, she just came over from Oklahoma. She has not had the legislative update in Texas yet. So the verbiage is off, where it says if it's upon request and they're a driver of a motor vehicle. Realistically, what I believe that applies to is a traffic stop.
Yeah.
It doesn't say that now, but that's what I told them realistically, and then it is a ticket. Technically, can you be arrested for a Class C?
For a traffic stop.
For a Class C misdemeanor, you can. It doesn't say traffic stop anymore. I'm sure that's what the legislature is trying to get at, but the problem is they don't do this job, so they sometimes miss verbiage.
Gotcha.
And so that happened.
All right.
So I discussed with them when you have to ID. Now, if you were lawfully under arrest, or if you are alleged to have committed an offense, not just being involved in disturbance, but say he said he punched me in the face. Well, then you would be this suspect in an alleged offense. Then you would have to identify yourself per failed ID statute, which I believe is 3802.
But you investigated already. See the difference?
So,
right?
yes, and now granted, what we do is try to speak with both parties at the same time. You are 100% right on it is not a crime to not identify yourself if you are just being detained. If you are lawfully under arrest, then it's Class C. If you lie, it's Class B. And if you lie and you're wanted for any warrant, then it is a Class A.
All right, I got a long trip ahead of me, sir.
I got you. I'm going to talk with all of them back at the PD and discuss everything that happened here.
Yeah, you need to, because they're going to keep the city in trouble here.
I will.
Appreciate you. Thank you. Have a good day. You too.
Where are y'all going? Drive today?
Yeah, to my property in DeKalb. We just stopped to get coffee and.
Are you going to go hunting?
If I got my bow, if I get a chance. Yeah. Appreciate it.
Again, this was from George Melendez channel. Currently, he has 110 subscribers. If you enjoyed how he came at these cops and stood for your rights and mine, leave him a comment, let him know that Here's the Deal sent you, and maybe subscribe to his channel. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know, and don't forget to subscribe to my private email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, the links are in the description. Grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, stand for your rights. Freedom is dangerous and it's uncomfortable. The only thing more dangerous and uncomfortable is not having rights. I'll see you in the next video.